My name is Angelisa Murray, and I am the CEO and founder of Heritage Inspirations. Heritage Inspirations is my love letter to New Mexico. It's a combination of all of my life's work experience, and we offer immersive experiences out of Albuquerque, Santa Fe, and Taos and beyond. We are New Mexico's premier tour company, and what we really try to do is, across the website, illustrate the different ways that you can navigate particular cities, whether you have a short experience or you have a longer experience. We operate day tours out of particular regions, 2 of which we have physical shops. So the essence of heritageinspirations.com is to give you the best opportunity that you can for your travel planning tools. Regular tours are tours that are going on every single week on a regular schedule. Anybody can drop into them. And the way that we kind of design that is that we have half-day tours and full-day tours. If you're going to Santa Fe, Albuquerque, or Taos, and you only have a short bit, and you want to have sort of the essence or the heart of it, the way that we've designed walking tours and our e-bike tours is the opportunity for a 3.5-hour trip versus a full day excursion where you would be going for somewhere between 6.5 to 9 hours. And then we have a section for private tours. So you would put a inquiry into the website and there's a form, what dates you might like to experience it, or if you have more questions about those tours. And then our team gets back to you via email to kind of dive in, give you some of that private pricing. The idea when I'm talking with guests is really trying to understand your pace. What are you looking for? Is it the cultural lenses? Is it the artistic lenses? Are you active? Do you want to hike? And we can really cater that itinerary to the specific guests that are joining on it. What we try to do is to base it into particular regions. It can be really confusing for people who come to New Mexico that may not understand the distances between places. What we've done in a particular section of the website is called Heirlooms. What we did was try to create curated itineraries that I've put together that are just snapshots of, okay, if I was looking at coming to New Mexico for 3 days or 5 days, these are the different templates that I could look at what I would like to do in terms of the cultural adventure or blending them all together.